Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing the third cash stuffing of the month. So let's start. We have 500 euros to stuff today. We have 50s, 20s, 10s, 5s, and 1s. As per usual, the ones are not real euro bills. I have created these myself to have easier counting, storage, and whatever. And I also sell them on my Etsy shop. So if you're a euro budgeter, you could benefit from those if you also use the cash binder method. So let's start with our cash envelopes as per usual. In groceries, we are stuffing 45, a 20, a 10, and 3 5s. So 20, 30, 35, 40, and 45. So when you're watching this, I'm already in Austria on my skiing trip. So you basically this cash from cash envelopes will mainly go into spending on my trip. And yeah, and I'm very excited to come back and tell you how it went. So stay tuned for that video. At the end of the week, I will be back on Saturday. So everything, my weekly budget update will go as planned up on Sundays, as it usually does. For spending, we are adding 25, which is 2 10s and a 5. So 10, 20, 25. And for dine out, we're adding 70, which is going to be 3 20s and 2 5s. So 20, 40, 60, 65, and 70. Okay. And for a buffer, we're not adding anything, but it has 50. So now we're moving on to our sinking funds, short-term sinking funds first. Beauty is going to get 30 in total. 10 is going to go into nails. And nails have now 20, 30, 40, and 50. And then we're adding 20 into products. And product will have now 20, 30, and 35. Great. That's for beauty. Birthdays is going to get 6 today, which is a 5 and a 1. We are working on my friend's birthday that's in February. And we have now 5, 10, 11, and 12. Clothing is going to get 5. And we have now 50, 55, 60, and 65. Fun is going to get 10, and we are still working on winter. I believe we only need a couple of, like a 10 or 20 to hit the goal. And then we're stuffing spring. So fun now has 20, 40, 50, 60, and 65. So 65. And gifts is going to get a 1 today to even out the amount because it has a weird number in it. So now gifts has 50, 100, 150, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 155. So that was our Ruby Rose binder. Now we have our Johnny Cash, still our short-term sinking funds. We have health first, and it's going to get 30. And we are going to put 10 into physiotherapy, that are my massages. And in total, physio has 30. And then we are putting a 20 into medicine, and medicine has now 40. So that's for health. Holidays is going to get a 5 today. And in total, it has 10, 5, 10, and 11. We're working on Valentine's Day. And rollover is going to get 20 today. And it has now 20, 30, 31, and 32. Travel will be getting 140, which is 50, 100, 120, and 140. However, I do believe that we only have one tab left in Maldives to fully fund. So we can do that today, and then we'll see how much we have. So I do believe in Maldives to fully fund this. Okay, I broke this. That's nice. So Maldives, flights are fully funded. I already purchased those. Hotels are fully funded with 720. Dining is fully funded with 150. Groceries is fully funded with 115. And I do believe that we only need 150 in miscellaneous to fully fund it. So let me grab 150 from travel. So 50, 100, 150. And that means we're gonna fully fund Maldives, and it's gonna sit here until, let me grab a marker. Where is my marker? Until my trip at the end of February. 150, 150, fully funded. So at the end of February when I decide to go there. So I'm very excited to see this fully funded. And that means in total with the flights, we have saved 1,950 euros. I do hopefully think that I won't need all of this in my trip and that I will have some leftover money, but we will see that. I will fix the envelope once I get there. But now travel has, with what we added and what we took out, travel has, which is like overall travel, not for a specific trip, has 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 270, 390, 400, 410, 415, 420, 421, 2, and 3. So 423 in overall travel. Great. So that was all for this binder. Now we are moving on to our long-term sinking funds. And this is the binder where I only use fake bills. So let's start with babies. Babies is going to get 1. And that brings the total to 151, 2, and 3. So 153. Car is going to get 2 today. And that brings the total to 150, 60, 61, 2, 3, and 4. So 164. Emergency is going to get 15. We are building a 3 months worth of income emergency fund for now. So right now we have 1,000, 2,000, 2,050, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. So 2,090 euros in our emergency fund. And then home is going to get 1. And it has now 150, 1, 2, and 3. So 153. Pets is also going to, no, pets is going to get 2. I thought it's going to get 1, but no. So it's getting 2. And in total, that's going to be 150, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 154. Retirement is going to get a 10. And in total, it's going to be 10, 20, and 30 in retirement. Savings is empty for now. We're not working on that. But technology is going to get 2 today. And technology will have now 150, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 154. And then weddings is going to get 1, and it's the last envelope in this binder. So 150, 1, 2, and 3 in weddings. Great. And now we're moving on to savings and miscellaneous. We have our iridescent binder. And first is charity. It's going to get 3, 1, 2, and 3. And in total, it has now 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 in charity. Christmas isn't going to get anything for now. Etsy also nothing. And tattoos and piercings is going to get a 1. So it has now 50 and 51. And then we have our A5 binder, which is our favorite binder. And we are moving on to 30 for 30. It's going to get 15 today. And it brings the total to 1,000, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. So 1,080 euros in 30 for 30. That's great. Subscriptions is going to get 5 today, and we're putting that into transport. And in total now it has 110, 15, 20, 21, 22. So transport is going to get 22. And then we have our monthly savings challenge. We are adding 5, where each euro represents each new subscriber we had this week, which means 5 new subscribers. So hello, welcome you guys. These monthly mystery savings challenges I sell on my Etsy shop for the entirety of 2023. Each month is going to have a different pattern, different challenge, whatever. So make sure to grab some if you want. So now during the month of January, we have managed to save 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 112 euros. That's crazy, but so nice. So that was for the monthly savings challenge. Now we move on to our 50 envelope challenge, my favorite part of the video. We have a budget allocated of 50 euros. We have a different denomination of bills to see which we stuff. We grab envelopes until we can't stuff anymore. So until we go up to 50 or below 50. So let's grab and see. 39, so 50 minus 39 is, we have 11 left, which, okay, we can't do 12. Let's do another one. 50, and third time the charm. 7, okay, we have 7. So 50 minus 39 minus 7. We have 4 left. Let's see if we can grab 4. No, 20. Okay, so today we're only stuffing 2 envelopes. Let me write down the denominations. So 39 and 7. And that means we have 4 left over. 4 is going to roll over because that's what we do if we don't stuff it. So 4 is going to go into rollover. I'll do that later. We can color in today's envelopes. Let's do a different color. Let's do green. So 39 and 7, which means that we already have stuffed 9 envelopes out of our 50 envelope challenge. Great. So let's do 7, which is 5 and 2 ones. So I put completely random numbers in here, so I don't know how much is the total. So I'm going to find that out when I am finished with this challenge and I can count it. And 39, which is going to be a 20, a 10, a 5, and 4 ones. So 20, 35, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 39. Great. So I do sell on my Etsy shop a bundle of 50 envelopes, either numbered or unnumbered, and also a tracker. So if you want to take your chance at this challenge, you can also do that by purchasing this little bundle and yeah, start saving money. So that was all for today's cash stuffing. I'm going to put all of this back into my allocated savings fund. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. We have fun over here. I'll be back very soon with more videos. But in the meanwhile, I wish you a very wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!